My father got a job for me on the railroad, a really good job, and I didn't like it. And so I knew inside that I wanted to do something else. I wasn't sure what. So as a young man, I sold door-to-door knives, and I sold all kinds of magazines and everything, and I enjoyed that. I enjoyed meeting the people, and I said maybe I ought to look at sales. Everybody needs a house. Why wouldn't I look into real estate? I attended a seminar, and the fellow in the seminar says if you'll get 50 listings, and that'll put your 50 signs up, and people will start noticing that sign, and they will, you'll end up developing a brand of your own. So I thought, well, that makes sense. So I went out and I got a yellow pad, just a regular, they're very common, there's yellow sheets, and we had no computers, no help in the industry at all for training or anything. So I got that, and I listed in order from north to south the houses that were for sale by owners out of the newspapers. And so I got in my car and I went out and knocked on the door and met the people. That's how I started, and I built Huff Realty on signs. I mean, if there's any one thing, people that you could introduce me to somebody 30 miles out of Cincinnati, and they would say the same 5 words, and it would always make me smile. They would say, "I see your signs everywhere." So that told me, people didn't know me from a lump of coal, but they saw the signs and the brand was working.